Hi guys, I'm gonna be showing you 3 methods on how you can fix not feature not showing on your Instagram. Now what you want to do, guys, if you want to fix not showing on your Instagram, all you have to do, guys, is open your app store and then update the up to the latest version. If you have updated the up to the latest version, wait for me. I am going to show you a few methods on how you can fix this problem, regardless if you have updated it or not. Now if you don't have the latest update, you have to go to your Instagram like this. It says for me open, as you can see this blue button, it says open, but for you it probably will say update. So you have to update the app. You want to click update and wait for it a few seconds, and that's how you can update the app to the latest version. Now after you update the app, see if the feature is missing or not. Go to your Instagram and see if the not feature, if you can see it in the top left. As you can see, I can see it. I can leave a not. Now if you don't see that feature, you want to go to settings. If you are using iPhone, go to general and then click on language and region, and then click iPhone language in the top and change it to UK English, and see if that feature has been added to your account or not. See if that feature has been added. Like I said, click UK and then click down and then wait for it to change language and see if that feature has been added or not. Now if it doesn't, if still the not feature doesn't work, you want to switch your account to professional account, or at least creator account. Okay, at least creator account. Click three little lines in the top right and click settings in the top, click account. At the very bottom, click to switch to professional account, and then keep clicking, and then you can just choose anything here what best describes you. You can choose anything and then click done. And now see if the problem is resolved or not. Let me know, please let me know in the comments if this works, because it worked for me. So let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Please leave a like. See you.